U.S. election news. Donald Trump is getting what he wants from Alvin Bragg. The office of the Manhattan District Attorney, Alvin Bragg, did not oppose Thursday's court filing in which he stated that the prosecution is not opposed to postponing the trial of former President Donald Trump. On March 25, the trial will commence over the alleged hush money payments made by Trump to adult film star Stephanie Clifford, whose stage name is Stormy Daniels, during the 2016 election. On Thursday, though, Bragg stated that his office is prepared to proceed to trial on time, but that they would not fight against a 30-day postponement. Trump requested a 90-day trial delay because he is also running for re-election and is facing 3 other criminal accusations. There will be updates to this article as more information becomes available because it is developing. Before the week comes to a close, a court in Georgia will decide whether or not to remove Fani Willis, the district attorney for Fulton County, from the case involving the alleged electoral fraud targeting Donald Trump. Trump has claimed the lawsuit is politically motivated because to his near-certain nomination for the Republican presidential candidate, and he has pled not guilty to all 13 accusations. This week, McAfee dismissed 3 of the allegations, leaving Trump facing a total of 10. Allegedly attempting to incite Georgia state officials to violate their oath of office led to the dismissal of all 3 charges. According to McAfee, the 3 counts are so unique that the evidence presented does not warrant a conviction. Willis testified over the course of 2 days last month in response to allegations that he was seeing Wade. One major issue of controversy is the order in which their relationship began and ended. The legal team representing Trump reviewed phone records that allegedly showed the 2 were dating prior to the initiation of the Georgia election fraud investigation. They both deny it and have stated under testimony that their relationship started following Trump's and 18 others' indictment for allegedly attempting to overturn the 2020 Georgia presidential election outcome. Ashley Merchant, who represents Trump's co-defendant Michael Roman, conducted a contentious cross-examination during which Willis vehemently denied wrongdoing and argued that the case's defendants, and not her personal life, should be the center of attention. On Thursday, Newsweek emailed Trump's lawyer in Willis's office to request a statement, the outcome of Willis's and the election case. The removal of Willis would necessitate the transfer of the case to another district attorney's office, which may cause a months-long delay in Trump's case. According to Willis, the trial might drag on past the 2025 presidential inauguration. Transferring the matter to a different district attorney's office would substantially lengthen the time it takes to resolve, likely beyond the inauguration. If Trump were to become president, he might ask the Supreme Court to postpone the case until his term ends, according to NYU legal professor Stephen Gillers, who spoke with Newsweek earlier. Trump, if elected president, should have the authority to delay the case no matter when the alleged crime happened. I think the Supreme Court would delay any state criminal prosecution of a serving president until the end of his term. Constitutional principles, including federalism and the Supremacy Clause, will be crucial, he added. Friday at the latest, the court will hear arguments on whether or not to remove Willis from the Trump case from Judge Scott McAfee. According to Trump and his co-defendants, Willis engaged Nathan Wade, the case's primary prosecutor, only because the 2 were romantically involved.